In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 11, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this phone. So first of all, just open your phone dialer. If you are not in contact, smoothly switch to this panel and tap on the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. Then select Edit, mark Profile Picture, and you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Let me pick a picture. Okay, so I have empty photo gallery. Let me try these pictures, and now just mark the photo that you would like to apply. Let me pick the first one that I've got here, and then crop the picture, tap on OK, click on Save, and that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to your contact. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.